Hello and welcome to another Can Indian channel feature. This video is a part of MBA 101 HRM segment. In this video, we're going to be looking at turnover and employee retention. First, let's look at why retention of the employees is so important. Retaining a positive and motivated staff is vital to an organization's success. High employee turnover increases expenses and has a negative effect on companies' morale. Implementing an employee retention program is an effective way of making sure key workers remain employed while maintaining job performance and productivity. A company can significantly benefit from employee retention programs because of a direct effect on an employer's bottom line. High turnover can be expensive. According to the Society for Human Resources Management, employee replacement cost can reach as high as 50 to 60% of an employee's annual salary. Strategies geared towards retaining good workers helps offset employee replacement costs and reduces the indirect costs such as decreased productivity and lost clients. Now let's briefly look at employee turnover. There are two types of employee turnover. Voluntary turnover, which is when the employee decides to quit work due to pay benefits. This is when the employee feels that they are not paid fairly or some other company would pay them higher or an industry switch. Role mismanagement, if the employee feels their role is ambiguous or it conflicts with other departments. If you watched my previous video, you would know how important job analysis would play to reduce role management. Role overload or underload. The employee is overloaded with work, which could cause stressful work environment, or if the employee has limited tasks, they would feel underutilized. Personal disposition. If you watched my video in the leadership section called Theory X and Theory Y managers, you would understand this better. Retrospecting on my job, I once worked with the director of business transformation at my previous company with an employee named Joe A. Joe used to view all his employees negatively. Because of this strained relationship, everyone working with him started to quit. Ultimately, by the time the president of the company, Bruce, realized this was too late, he had lost most of his good staff due to Joe. Joe was very intelligent, a good person, and a very good worker. He just did not have the good attributes of a leader. Now let's look at involuntary turnover. This is when an organization decides to end employment. The sources of involuntary turnover are poor performance, when an employee is not competent to perform the job, or violation of company policies. Slowdown in sales, when the company decides to downsize. Decrease in demand. In the history of mankind, never has the change been so rapid. The industries need to adapt quickly or else they'll become obsolete. Take for example Kodak, BlackBerry, or the Angry Bird game maker Rovio. Now let's look at some key techniques to manage turnover. The most important is the HPWS. The first step to developing an employee retention plan is capitalizing some of the theory surrounding employee satisfaction. The employee job withdrawal can be enhanced by instituting an effective high-performance work system, otherwise known as HPWS. The figure shown here highlights key areas of HPWS. Creating a HPWS system ensures the overall success of the organization as it focuses on empowering the employees to exert higher level of performance. SHRM focus on job design and analysis. As per research, efficient job design and job analysis contribute to reduced turnover. Please watch my other video about job design and job analysis. Job enrichment, adding complexity and meaningfulness to a job. Job rotation, systematic movement of people between jobs in one department or between departments. This happens mainly in production line settings. I've also explained this on the job analysis video. I'm also going to present an effective mind map created by one of the contributors to this channel, Rochelle Devon. Rochelle and I studied MBA at the same business school. I'm also going to provide a downloadable link in my website. This mind map can be printed and can be effective source during your examination. I thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, share. Please also check other sections of this channel. I look forward to seeing you on another video. This is Can Indian Channel signing off. Peace.